guys, just making a small video on the Dometic RM2350 upright 90 litre fridge that we brought three-way. So far we've only used it on gas and mains power. It's worked sensationally on both of them. We had the original Dometic fridge that we wanted to replace in our caravan when we upgraded and renovated the van. So when the fridge comes, it actually opens from left to right, but you can change it, so we've got ours opening from right to left. As you can see, it holds a lot of stuff. 3 shelves in the door. You've got the bottom shelf here and then 2 other shelves, and you've also got a freezer, which fits a fair bit of stuff in there. Quite easy to use. You have your dials up the top here, or to light it on gas you push the buttons. Temperature control. Yeah, that's about it. It's great product.
Highly recommended.
Highly recommended, and Caravan RV were great to deal with. Thank you.